I don't have an electric guitar with a whammy bar and all that kind of stuff and serious distortion, but the beginning of Barracuda especially, even the whole song, is great, even on an acoustic guitar. So I'm gonna try to teach you the basics of it in under 3 minutes. It's only got a couple chords. So no capo here. Oh, and I'm Steve, by the way, blah, blah, blah. So no capo, and it starts with an E major, and it begins with, and I do these palm muting, but the big key, the cool part of the whole song is to go like this. It's like a little salsa kind of rhythm there, or flamenco. So I'm playing an E major, palm muting, and going down, 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 up, down. And then go open E, second fret of that E string to a G. So G. And then, you got harmonics. I'll do another lesson on harmonics. You just basically put your finger very lightly right on the 7th fret and 5th fret and 12th fret. And if you have wah, 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 all that good stuff. I got a Bigsby back there, but you need a good old Strat tremolo or something like that. All right, and then I'll give you the chords. It goes. So it goes E major, racing the wind and all that kind of stuff. C major, and does this little walk down. It's not that hard. You do a C major and do from that 3rd fret of the A string to the 2nd fret to the open A string, 3rd fret of the E string, and then you got to get the rhythm. You got to listen to the song and sort of count the numbers here. And then, if it goes in, when it goes in the chorus, like I think the 2nd chorus goes, if the real thing don't do the trick. So you're doing C, E major. You're gonna D, this is the first new chord, D major. You're gonna burn, 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 burn to the wick, A major. And then pop it, grab your, whatever you gotta do, stop the strings, ooh, Barracuda, down to E major. Right there it goes. Same thing that we did at the beginning, but you go 2nd, 3rd, 5th, or the A chord right there. I'm going really fast, because you got to go fast for this kind of song. And then in the bridge it goes C, C, A major. This is the big guitar solo to E major. That's it. Really, 2 or 3 chords right there, but mostly the power is that cool little intro. Let me know how you do in the comments. I think you can do this one. It's really not that hard if you just focus on the rhythm and just go 2 or 3 little frets up. You'll be in good shape. All right, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you next time for some more 3-minute lessons. See ya.